If you've lost access to your Kraken account due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain access and secure your account. Step 1. Visit the Kraken website. Go to the official Kraken website. Ensure you are on the legitimate site to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, click the Forgot Password link. This will allow you to initiate the password recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your Kraken account. Check your inbox for a password reset email from Kraken. Step 4. Follow the password reset instructions. Open the email and follow the instructions to reset your password. Choose a strong, unique password to enhance your account security. Step 5. Enable two-factor authentication. Once you regain access, immediately enable two-factor authentication 2FA in your account settings. This adds an extra layer of security to protect against future unauthorized access. After completing these steps, monitor your account for any unusual activity and consider reviewing your security settings regularly.